What kind of sick April Fool's Day joke is this? Today's the 1st of April. Today we're going to go out and try to smash some perch. We got tough conditions. We got northwest wind at about 18 miles an hour. Obviously the peninsula's protecting this side, so it's pretty flat calm. But the lake is raging. Me and Julius are going to get out here. I'm going on his boat today, so we'll see what we can do. Got a new rod today, guys. Well, got it a couple days ago. Daiwa, can't remember exact name of it, but it's about 60 bucks. I like it so far. Everything feels good. And then I got a loose rod, the speed stick. We'll see how it does. I got Julius a new net, hooking him up. So, but we're gonna give it all we got. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Here we go, baby. Anybody else's truck look like this? Yep. Oh, we got the heater out today. And he's throwing stuff off his truck already.
That's the way to be. Let's get out. Let's get out. Let's get at him.
My first voyage on
Wow.
Action Jackson's boat.
Boston is on my boat.
Kind of nice. All right, so first spot, we were trying to anchor up. It wouldn't let us. I mean, that wind's a little rough over there by Summerheim. But we're up here in the head of the bay. I had a couple bites already. Just watch a guy from shore catch one. Ooh, get away from the anchor.
He's nice. He's a hog.
Hog perch. What you got, Julius?
Hog perch.
Oh, shit.
Hog perch.
It is a grinder today. Julius got one fish on so far. One fish in the bucket. Getting bites. They're being really finicky though. Missed another one. But we are grinding.
I got the feeling he's big.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, boy. I got the feeling.
All right, so I just switched up to a minnow.
Yeah, oh,
I
you switch out to a minnow, not catch one on the jig right now, man. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna be mad. I've been striking out really bad.
Let me hit that, man. Let me get that right there.
Let me get those.
Oh, you got off.
You got off, little guy. First small one of the day.
First small one. A couple inches.
Yeah. Feels all right. Oh, it's a bluegill. That's why it felt like a bigger fish. Or a pumpkin seed. Not the exact size we're looking for, but it's perch. There he is. Oh. He is definitely tasting a bite of that. Good one?
Yep.
Big old bluegill. That's a good one.
That's a nice one there. That's blue.
Miss him. All I'm using today is a little white jig head. I think it's a 32nd. Threading a gulp shiner on. Just like that. Big old perch. There we go. That's what we're looking for, baby. Just got that gulp minnow. Nice. Nope. That's alright. Little baby guy.
Little baby Fruit Loop.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There he is. Feels decent. Feels like a gill, I think. An actual bluegill. Little buster. Oh my god. Oh my word. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Don't lose him. Don't lose him.
Fuck that.
That's a good one right there. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Julius is hooked up again.
Hooked up to a little guy here.
A little midget bluegill.
Midget bluegills. Little guy.
Making another move. April 1st, baby. Got a nice snowstorm rolling in. You on? Julius is hooked up. Good one? A little perchy guy.
Perchy guy. Not a puller, but still something nice.
See you later, dude. Hooked up. I don't know what it is. Fighting pretty hard. Not even that big. It's the good old bluegill. Or pumpkin seed, whatever you prefer to call them. Big. I just want to know.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh, I missed him. Because we are in a snowstorm. There we go. Nice keeper perch. Let me see him. Nice, nice. Yeah, it's coming down, baby. Straight blizzard. Dang, I keep missing them too. Wow, unreal.
It just came a wire out on us. Like out of nowhere, it just went boom, blizzard.
Oh. Hit him.
Who was it?
Nice perch. Nice perch. The bites are far and few between, but you're getting a couple. Well, the wind did a 180, so we're gonna get out of here. We got a solid east wind. Don't really feel like getting soaked on the way back, so we don't want to let it build. So we're heading in. Well, we're back at the dock. It's been an interesting day. We got a few fish. Of course, I'll show you guys the fish right at the end. But it was one of those days where we knew the bite was going to be tough. We had a chance to go fishing, and we did. What can we do? I don't know. So we're going to load up the boat.